think I'd try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of
Hey guys, I found my batteries and I'm falling all over the place. So we went on to Marketplace and we bought some cube organizers that are from IKEA, but we got them for a fraction of the price. Y'all go ahead and make sure that you do that. And I'm telling y'all that because you can save some money, because people are selling stuff on Marketplace trying to declutter their house. Or let me tell y'all what we're about to do. All right, so y'all see we have these two bookshelf here and the bookshelf here. I'm going to try to condense those to fit into the 25 the 5x5 cube organizer. Let me show y'all the organizers. I've been getting bold, y'all, because when I get stuff from people, I'm like, hey, do you watch YouTube? Do you? Well, I'm on YouTube. I am. My name is, you know, I tell them my name and everything, DAT Family 5. And I'm like, if so, if you're into cleaning stuff, you know, go ahead and put it on there because your stuff going to be over there. That's not my stuff because I bought it from you. So hopefully the lady who I bought, thank you so much for these things. So we're in the garage. So y'all see them? So this is the 25 and that's the 16. Eventually I'm going to paint the 16, but right now I just want to get it into the room and get it out of my garage. The 25 is coming in. So if you haven't yet, and if you like this type of organization, because this is what's going on, we organizing today. I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all don't understand. I'm so flipping excited. I am. I'm feeling like some things are getting done on my side. That way I can be a better wife and mom.
So what I was trying to say is, if you haven't yet, please consider to subscribe to this channel and comment down below, what did you refresh this summer? I'm so excited to be able to do this summer/fall refresh into my living room. I finally got the things that I need to do it. I know everybody has already did their stuff. Y'all know I'm kind of late on the train sometimes, and it's okay. It's all right. We are the family that loves life and having fun, and we love to just do anything lifestyle wise. We do cleaning motivation. Our last video was a vlog for us to, well, our next video will be a vlog of us going on a trip. And so yeah, wherever we go, whatever we do, guess what? Y'all come along with us, and I'm so excited. And as always, here's Douglas showing us his cleaning skills, because y'all know in our family we do everything together. Just not me, but it's everybody. But here's Ezekia, and she will be filming while we move stuff in.
What do you mean? Amy, what do you mean?
Let's go! Stop! Why you gonna leave this in here? Why you gonna do that?
Beast. You got shoes on? Safety first, kids. Always wear shoes when you lift something.
I don't lift.
Alright, let's go. Lift with your legs. Your legs. Squat it.
That wasn't a squat. That was a you sitting on nothing. But you can't. Something bad happened. Something bad happened.
I was wondering, oh, okay. Here. Okay.
Sit down, head up. That can't squat still. That is not a squat. Okay, that's, I would consider that a squat. This is our kitchen.
What's up, G? Tell me we can go sneaker shopping one day.
Alright, ready?
Lift with your legs.
What is that?
The big one.
Oh, that is huge.
Damn, I'm shit.
What?
Did you measure this? Yeah, put it. That's gonna be okay. Damn.
Wait.
I mean, it'll fit, but you ain't gonna put nothing else on the side of it. No.
Yeah, I knew that.
Watch out, G. So you want to lift it like this?
Look.
You can't.
You're gonna need to pivot. Get up on the couch.
Just pivot.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't take no jets, right? I told you. I know, Atoya.
So this is what's going on here, you know. Dad over here trying to put in that tiny corner because look at that spacage.
Man, come on.
Mom told me she got this.
Hold on.
What?
Hello. You have to wait for the pressure to go down. You can't. Yeah, you don't want to pop it while that pressure's up. Let it sit for about a half an hour.
I bet it's not the radiator. No.
Yeah, let it sit for a half an hour. When y'all go inside where you're going, crack the hood, let it sit for about half an hour at least, and then I still would be cautious.
Scoot over. Scoot over. There you go. Perfect.
Have a good day. You got your mask? Okay, have fun.
Well, open your mouth, communicate.
This is perfect, ladies. Right there.
I don't know how to shake it, bro. Oh, you're gonna have to do something with the clock.
Tighten it from the top. The clock. Yeah, we ain't gonna see that. How long we gonna see?
I mean, it ain't that bad. I can start to see it.
That might actually be in the way for me. Yeah.
No, it's not gonna
You see that line, Dad?
I know it's right there.
What line?
This right here. This right here. This is what's blocking us to get so close.
Yeah, behind it.
This thing is huge.
I know.
Oh,
It was perfect. Yeah.
it matches that thing right there.
What thing?
That right there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like here. They're both like here. So I just put it here and there. Woo!
Everything about to be in there.
Yeah, that's why we getting rid of these. I'm about to throw these things.
Well, thank gosh. It looks very bougie. Bougie on a budget. Ew.
As you can see, we do this as a family. Ezekia started cleaning, and then she got to the bottom, and there are some spider webs, so I had to clean the bottom ones because she got a little scared, which is okay. In the next couple clips, you're gonna see me doing a little quick dance move. FYI, I am a Zumba instructor, but I do love to dance. It's one of my favorite pastimes other than napping. Alright, so I will be showing the cubes that I got from Dollar Tree. There's one that has like a wood finish on it, but it's cloth, and then there's like a beige one, and then we have a lot of brown ones already. So yeah, let's go dance. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking for a while so y'all can see what's going on. You know, as always, things are self-explanatory, but if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and put them down in the comments. I appreciate y'all. Oh, I got these from Dollar Tree. Y'all, I love me some Dollar Tree. So I got this from Dollar Tree. Alright.
Every time I mess it up, and everybody says that things are bound to change, but I hope they stay the same, 'cause you are the best thing that's ever happened to me. I was not the type to slow down my life for you. I was young and I was full of fire. Now I could walk a tightrope, balance with my eyes closed. This is how life goes. Oh, and midnights of late youth, I belong to you, and I'm breathing in the still nights. I live for the moments where I am floating, and you're the only thing on my mind. You got me setting all I know on fire, 'cause you kept me every time I mess it up, and everybody says that things are bound to change, but I hope they stay the same, 'cause you are the best thing that's ever happened to me. You got me setting all I know on fire, 'cause you
Ezekia, my 10-year-old, is so talented when it comes to her drawing. She's been practicing her eyes, as you can see, and so they look so good. She got eyes and eyebrows, and she put the irises in there. It is so amazing how she can go ahead and draw for a 10-year-old child. She amazes me day by day.
The thrill of my life. Oh, I'm never gonna let you go. I see it all with my eyes closed, with my eyes closed. Yeah, I see it all with my eyes closed. I'm never gonna let you go. You are the thrill of my life. Oh, of my life. Oh.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me.
Like I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of what we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause now
Okay, you guys, I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video and clicking on this channel. My name is Atoya. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And don't forget to also comment down below, what did you refresh this year, this summer? As you see, I'm excited about the space that's in our living room. I'm such a dork. But thank y'all so much, and y'all have a blessed day. And guess what, y'all? As always, we will see you on the tube. Thank you so much, my dears.
get through this, let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just